Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows cannot access error code 0x80070043. So to fix this, first of all, you want to go ahead and manage advanced sharing settings. Go ahead and find this. Now here on private networks, you want to make sure that network discovery is turned on. You also want to tick this setup network connected devices automatically, and if you want to allow others on the network to access shared files and printers on this device, you want to turn this on too. Now you want to go to the public option, and on the public option you want to go ahead and turn those both on. And now on all networks you also want to go ahead and turn on the public folder. Then this one should be left unrecommended, and the password protect sharing you can leave turned on however you like it. Now another method would be to find the folder you're having problem with. So for example, let's take this one, and you want to right click on it and go to properties. After that, on properties you want to go to security, and on security you want to go ahead and click edit. Here on edit you want to go ahead and add, and here on add you want to write down everyone. Click check names, then this will be underlined, so I want to go ahead and leave this, then click OK. Now once you have everyone here, you want to allow full control, so you're just gonna do this, full control, and click apply and OK. Now while you are here also you want to click on the sharing tab. Then you want to go ahead and click on share, click on everyone, and you want to make sure that read and write is selected, and then just go ahead and click share. Now the problem should be fixed, but if not, you want to go ahead and write down run on the search bar, and here you want to go ahead and write down gp edit.msc, and then click OK. After that, local computer policy will open up. You want to go ahead and choose computer configuration. Then you want to choose admin templates. And on the admin templates, you want to go ahead and choose system. So it is right there. And on system, you want to find log on. Here it is. And on log on, you will need to go ahead and find always wait option. So here it is, always wait for network at computer startup and log on. Then click edit policy here, and you want to make sure that it is enabled, and click apply and OK. And after that, your problem will be fixed. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.